Oh, hey guys, Kurt Shaver, Chief Sales Officer with Vengreso here. And hey, I just got a nice gift to start off the year. I got my LinkedIn backpack right here. You know, it's always great to get gifts from your partners to kind of kick off the year. And so I've got one for you guys, and that is make sure you are leveraging the new people that are getting jobs at this time of year. It's a great sales trigger. So beginning of the year, you got a lot of people changing, particularly if you're selling to sales and marketing executives. So with that in mind, you can use the free LinkedIn by using the notification section. That'll tell you if any of your level 1 connections are starting a new job, which is a great trigger event. Or if you're using the premium LinkedIn Sales Navigator, even better, because there's a specific filter in there. They don't even have to be your level 1s, but you can filter by any criteria, and then there's one tab there that'll filter by just the people that are new to that job in the last 90 days. Now, why is this a great sales trigger event? Because somebody new to the job, they're coming in, first off, they don't have that "we've always done it this way" attitude, and they're looking for new ideas to make their mark. So that's a great sales tip. I hope that's a good gift for you guys. I'm going to enjoy my backpack. If you want more great tips for leveraging digital sales, make sure you sign up for the Vengreso newsletter. Tips come out every week. We'll see you.